Isn't it? We're gonna put it right up there. Nice job. Do you want to draw the straight line? Get all the way as close to this thing as you can.
Whoa.
Uh-oh.
Right there.
You did a great job measuring these and cutting. This is amazing. We're gonna put our first nail hole right here, and let me show you here. You push down and then you go, nice. And then right below it, push down. Nice job. How'd that feel?
Good. Oh yeah.
This?
Let me do the fun scanner. All right. Here I got this THEIR. There. Let me do the second one.
3, 2, 1. Oh, good job.
Cool.
So mine is this way.
Mine is this way.
Let's find those studs.
All right. Here. Let me start from here and see if there's any in the middle.
Okay, let's find those studs. Do both of those by yourself? In. Nice job.
Let's see if it's stable.
Yeah.